Dimming and flickering light issues can arise from several factors. Electrical interference could be a culprit. A remodel nearby may have introduced new electrical equipment or wiring, generating electromagnetic interference, or ME, on the power lines. This interference can affect electronic devices, particularly dimmers. A loose or faulty ground connection can allow electrical noise to travel through the neutral wire, also interfering with dimmers. Compatibility issues between dimmers and LED bulbs can cause problems. If dimmers were installed with non-dimmable LED bulbs, this can result in flickering or dimming. Dimmers have a finite lifespan, and as they age, they may fail or become more susceptible to interference. Several solutions can be considered. Firstly, check for new electrical equipment or wiring near the house that might be causing EMI. Secondly, verify that all grounding connections are tight and secure. Thirdly, ensure that all LED bulbs used with the dimmers are specifically designed for dimming. Fourthly, if the dimmers are old or have been exposed to interference, consider replacing them with new models designed to handle EMI. Fifthly, line filters can be installed on the power lines to reduce EMI and protect dimmers. Voltage regulators can stabilize voltage fluctuations caused by large appliances or other electrical loads, which can improve dimmer performance. Also, voltage drops could occur at individual circuits or light fixtures, even if voltage is stable at the main and sub-panels. Use a voltmeter to measure voltage of the affected lights during peak load times. Check all wire connections in the affected circuits, including switches, dimmers, and light fixtures, for loose or corroded connections. A power quality analyzer can identify specific types of electrical interference or voltage fluctuations affecting the dimmers. The analyzer helps diagnose issues beyond simple voltage measurements, revealing harmonics, surges, or other anomalies. Understanding these anomalies is vital for targeted solutions. Harmonics or distortions of the voltage and current waveforms, often generated by nonlinear loads like electronic devices and LED lighting. High harmonic levels can overheat equipment, cause nuisance tripping of circuit breakers, and interfere with sensitive electronics. Surges are transient overvoltage events that can damage electronic equipment. They can be caused by lightning strikes, power grid switching, or internal equipment malfunctions. Surge protection devices, or SPDs, are crucial for mitigating surge-related damage. Voltage fluctuations can include sags, swells, and imbalances. Sags are temporary voltage decreases, while swells are temporary voltage increases. Imbalances occur when the voltage levels in the different phases of a three-phase system are unequal. These fluctuations can disrupt equipment operation and reduce its lifespan. A power quality analyzer measures voltage, current, frequency, harmonics, voltage sags, voltage swells, and transient events. It provides a detailed picture of the electrical system's health, identifying potential problems before they cause equipment failure or downtime. Effective grounding is fundamental to electrical safety and power quality. It provides a low impedance path for fault currents, preventing dangerous voltage buildup and ensuring proper operation of protective devices like circuit breakers and fuses. A ground fault occurs when current flows through an unintended path to ground. This can happen due to damaged insulation, loose connections, or accidental contact with grounded metal objects. Ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, are designed to detect ground faults and quickly interrupt the circuit, preventing electrical shock. Bonding refers to the practice of connecting all metal parts of an electrical system to create a continuous electrical path to ground. This ensures that all metal parts are at the same potential, minimizing the risk of electric shock. Proper wire sizing is essential for safe and efficient electrical system operation. Undersized wires can overheat, causing insulation damage, fire hazards, and voltage drops. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides guidelines for determining the appropriate wire size based on the load current, conductor type, insulation temperature rating, and installation conditions. The ampacity of a wire is its current carrying capacity. The NEC specifies ampacity ratings for various wire types and sizes. Factors like ambient temperature and the number of current carrying conductors in a raceway can affect ampacity. Voltage drop occurs when voltage decreases along a conductor due to its resistance. Excessive voltage drop can cause equipment malfunction, reduce lighting output, and inefficient operation. The NEC recommends limiting voltage drop to 3% for branch circuits and 5% for feeders. Single-pole, double-pole, and three-pole circuit breakers are used to protect electrical circuits from overcurrents. Single-pole breakers protect single-phase circuits, while double-pole breakers protect circuits with 240 volts. Three-pole breakers protect three-phase circuits. Arc fault circuit interrupters, or SIs, are designed to detect arc faults, which are dangerous electrical discharges that can cause fires. SIs are required in many areas of the home, particularly in bedrooms. Surge protective devices, or SPDs, protect electronic equipment from voltage surges. SPD are installed at the service entrance or at individual equipment locations. Different types of SPD are available, with varying surge current ratings and protection levels. Understanding power quality issues and implementing appropriate solutions are crucial for maintaining a reliable and safe electrical system. By addressing issues like electrical interference, grounding problems, and voltage fluctuations, you can improve the performance of dimmers and other sensitive electronic equipment. Regular inspections and maintenance of electrical systems can help identify and prevent potential problems before they cause major disruptions. Consider consulting a qualified electrician or power quality specialist for assistance with diagnosing and resolving complex electrical issues. They have the expertise and equipment to perform thorough inspections and provide tailored solutions. When selecting dimmers, choose models that are compatible with the type of lighting being used, such as LED, incandescent, or halogen. Also, consider dimmers with built-in EMI filtering to minimize the effects of electrical interference. Use high-quality wiring and connections to ensure reliable electrical performance. Loose or corroded connections can cause voltage drops, overheating, and other problems. When working on electrical systems, always follow safety precautions, including turning off power to the circuit before making any connections or repairs. Use appropriate personal protective equipment, such as gloves and eye protection. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, consult a qualified electrician. In summary, diagnosing and resolving dimmer problems often requires a systematic approach, considering factors like electrical interference, grounding, LED compatibility, and dimmer age. By implementing appropriate solutions and maintaining a healthy electrical system, you can ensure reliable lighting performance and prevent future issues. Keep in mind that changes in the surrounding environment, such as the remodel across the street, can introduce new electrical disturbances that affect sensitive electronic devices. Stay vigilant and proactive in addressing any emerging electrical problems to maintain a safe and functional home electrical system.